Chandrayaan 3 will fail. Government seeks explanation as Kannada lecturer mocks lunar mission. The Karnataka Department of Pre-University Education has requested clarification from a Kannada lecturer at a pre-university college in Malleshwaram regarding a social media post that purportedly mocks the Chandrayaan 3 mission. As reported by the Indian Express, Hulikunte Murthy, a Dalit activist and lecturer, reportedly posted a tweet in Kannada expressing his belief that the Chandrayaan 3 mission would be unsuccessful. He allegedly used the phrase, Tirupati Nama, to suggest that the moon mission would fail once again.